Hello friends, this is Swapna Bhausar. Today in my video I will explain you one-to-many relationship in DBMS with an example. What is mapping cardinality? Mapping cardinality is a data constraint that specifies how many entities of an entity can be related to in a relationship set. There are four types of mapping cardinalities: one to one, one to many to one, and many to many. In my last video, I have explained one to one relationship with an example. Even I have shown implementation of one to one relationship also. In this video, I will explain one to many relationships. So what is one to many? One record in a table or in a relation is associated with many records in another table or in another relation. One entity of an entity set is associated with many entities of an entity set. The example of one to many is one customer is giving order of many products. I will explain this relationship with an example. Here I have drawn an ER diagram of customer and product. One customer gives order of many products. One customer orders many products. So when this is our ER model, when we convert this into relational model, we have three tables. One is for customer, second one is for product, and the third one is for orders. Right? So here I have taken an example. Customer is having three attributes: CID, CNAME, and address. Product is having three attributes: PID, product ID, product name, PNAME, and cost. So that is okay. All these two entity sets, customer and products, they are having their attributes, so we can convert it into tables. But what about orders? Orders is our relationship which has one to many mapping cardinality. So when we convert these orders into table, it will have, by default it will have two attributes. One, CID, which is nothing but the primary key of customer, and another is PID, which is primary key of product. So when we refer CID and PID of customer and product respectively, these keys will act as a foreign key. Okay, so CID, PID, these two attributes will be there for orders table. And what about primary key? When we consider primary key for orders, we consider primary key of many side. So what is many side? Product it as is at the many side. And what is the primary key of product? PID. So PID will act as primary key in orders table. CID, PID, in which PID will act as a primary key. Okay, so here I have given you example of C1 is my customer ID C1 whose name is ABC, address Pune. Okay, so C1 orders P1, C1 orders P2, because here we are talking about one to many. So one customer, C1 customer is ordering many products, P1 also, P2 also, book and pen. C2 is ordering P3 product, C2 is ordering P4 product, notebook and colors. So if you will see this relationship, it contains one to many. One customer is ordering many products. Okay, so when we have this type of relationship, we consider many side ka primary key. So by the rule, we can merge this PID with, we can merge these two attributes with product table. So when we merge this orders table into product, how many attributes the new table will contain? PID, PNAME, cost, CID, and again PID. But this PID and this PID will be same. So there is no need to take it again. So simply we will consider PID, PNAME, cost, and CID. So when we merge these two tables, we will have a single table which will contain PID, PNAME, cost, and CID, wherein CID will act as a foreign key. CID will be referred from this customer. And here you can see the same records that are there in this table as well as in this table. P1 book 500 C1. So here you can see C1, a single customer is ordering two products, P1 as well as P2. Likewise, C2 customer, the single customer is ordering P3 product, P4 product. So here also we are maintaining one to many relationship. So when we have one to many relationship, this ERD model can be converted into relational model, which and finally this model will contain only two tables. The first one is customer and the second one is product order. Customer will contain the same attributes CID, CNAME, address, and product order will contain PID, PNAME, cost, and CID, wherein CID will act as a foreign key. Hope you all have understood this one-to-many relationship. In my next video, I will explain many-to-many relationship. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.